Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about how rough 2024 has ended for the trucking industry and how you can actually turn that around when it comes to your taxes. Believe it or not, the challenges from this year might just put some extra cash back into your pocket if you're doing it right. Stick around because this could be a game changer for you. Let's be honest, 2024 was a brutal year for trucking. Rates have plummeted, fuel prices have skyrocketed, interest rates went up, and regulations have tightened even more. It feels like every challenge imaginable has hit our industry this year, especially for owner-operators and small fleet owners who've been hit the hardest. And that's why I want to give a quick shout out to a tax firm that I personally use here in Canada and in the US, M7 Tax Group. These guys know trucking inside and out and have helped me and thousands that I've sent to them in order to maximize deductions and save money when tax time comes around. If you're serious about keeping more of your hard-earned cash in your pocket, they're the ones to trust. Now let's dive into how you can make this tough year work to your favor. Remember, the key here is to make every deduction count. With so many potential write-offs, it's essential to stay organized and take advantage of everything you're entitled to. So let's break down some of the most common deductions that you can significantly reduce your tax burden. Number one, administration fees and business costs. These can pile up fast, but they're all deductible. Track expenses like accounting services, ATM fees, bank charges, and payment processing fees from platforms like Square, Stripe, and PayPal. Don't forget about computer and laptop costs, credit card fees, and strictly for business use, and office supplies like paper, pens, and much more. Even business softwares like QuickBooks or mileage tracking apps are fair game. The next category is vehicles and maintenance expenses, like your fuel, oil changes, tires, repairs, washes, and detailing your truck or car. They're all deductible. Accessories like seat covers and floor mats also count. Repairs and labor costs can take a huge chunk out of that budget, so make sure you're documenting everything to get the most out of your deductions. Number three, and this is what a lot of people miss, it's their home office expenses. If part of your business runs from your home, you can claim a portion of the rent or utilities as a business expense. Office furniture, internet services, and office supplies are all deductible. Just make sure you accurately calculate the business use percentage to avoid problems later on. Number four, education and training. Taking online courses to improve your business skills or earning industry certifications. Those costs are deductible too. So in our case, if you're doing a course on strapping, a flatbed course, over-dimensional course, any courses or an online course or a dispatch course, all this is deductible. Number five, miscellaneous expenses, and these things add up quick. Don't overlook smaller deductions like business subscriptions, professional memberships like your local chamber of commerce, tax preparation fees, so whatever you're paying your accountant, that can be deducted too, and even a storage unit for business equipment. If you're using it to store some of your equipment, then yes, it's a write-off. These may seem like minor expenses, but they can definitely add up. Number six, travel and transportation costs, like parking fees, tolls, and equipment costs. They're all deductible. If you rent or lease a car for business purposes, track the actual mileage and make sure you're documenting every detail. Number seven, license permits and fees, business registration fees, driver's license renewals, and other permits that keep you on the road legally should also be written off. The last note I'm going to leave you with is if you're using an accountant that doesn't specialize in truck drivers and owner-operators, you may be leaving a lot of money on the table. Now, if you want the contact information for the company that I use, M7 Taxes, just comment the word tax and I'll send you a private message with their information. I'm Ronan and I'll catch you in my next video.